How to join best Discord servers for Valorant. If you're looking to join Discord servers related to Valorant, you've come to the right place. So I'm going to show you guys a few servers that you can join. First thing first, open up your web browser. And once you open it up, all you need to do is search for Valorant official server. And once you search for Valorant official Discord, hit enter, and you'll be able to see the discord.com. This will be the official link to join the Valorant's Discord server. Now you'll get an invitation link. All you need to do here is click on accept invite. As you can see, there are more than 1.4 million members. Click on accept invite, and you should be able to easily join the official Valorant Discord. You can find different teammates here and different level of players to join and you can play with. So click on accept invite and you should be good to go. The other thing that you could search is simply go ahead and go to your Chrome browser again, and then you can search for something like Valorant LFG Discord. And here you will be able to find different kind of players with different rankings. So you can find better teammates and increase your win rates as well. Click on Valorant LFG. And once you've done that, you'll get an invitation link here as well. Don't forget to click on accept invite. As you can see, there are almost 1 million members here as well. Click on accept and then click on accept invite again, and you'll be able to join the LFG server as well. So this is the official Valorant server, and as you can see here, I have the LFG server as well. So if I click on it, here this is the official LFG. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video.